Industrialization created for many a cycle that keeps repeating. Sensory pleasure for the sake of being able to withstand the negativity of reality. But one can only be ignorant for so long, hence people get midlife crises. On a more political channel, the Gemtocracy slash the Gem Audios channel, which will be linked in the description, one of our main points is escapism and how it has negatively impacted efficiency, freedom, and mental health. So, what should we do? What should you do? First off, work on your self control. Secondly, try to live with a form of asceticism. I am a vegan and eat only once a day. Train your body to be okay with that. Being an asceticist is about not indulging into the sensory pleasure. People may call you skinny, but that's only because the average weight is just fat. This is also why people have come up with terms like thick. You know, they say when they try to describe fat people, they say thick instead because they want them to feel better about it. But there is no real difference between the two. You can even tell by the coronavirus that people who are supposedly thick are at greater risk because they're just fat. You have to believe in yourself and understand the consequences of your actions. Those are the first steps to take back your life and not be a slave to industrialist society.